To edit project information, you need the Edit Project screen. In the Edit Project screen, you can change the project's name, address, share the project, or delete the project. To find the Edit Project screen, click the menu button on the project screen and select Edit Project. To edit the project address, expand the Project Locations section. Once expanded, update the fields as necessary. Make sure to press Save when done. FirstLink projects can be shared with others to allow more than one person to manage an installation and retrieve test data. To invite someone to a project, press the plus sign next to Invite Contributors. Type in the person's email address and press the plus sign. Once all names are added, press Invite. All contributors to a project will be shown here. Please note, make sure you use the user's email address which they have previously used to log into the FirstLink application. To stop sharing a project with someone, simply click the X next to their email address. After a confirmation, the user will be removed from the project.